Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo cupcakes. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a sifter over a large bowl, add the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then sift the ingredients into the bowl. Then whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the egg, buttermilk, canola or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then add in the boiling water and mix it in until it's combined. Again, try not to overmix the batter. Then line a muffin pan with paper liners. Then fill each one 2/3 full with the batter. Don't fill them 3/4 of the way. And if any batter remains, add small mason jar lids onto a baking sheet and place paper liners into them and fill them with the batter. Then bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Then to make the Oreo frosting, in a medium bowl, add the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 1 minute. Then sift in about half of the powdered sugar and mix it on low speed at first, and once it's combined, beat it on high speed for 1 minute. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar and mix it on low speed until it's well combined. Then add in the heavy cream and vanilla extract and mix them in until they're combined. Then beat the mixture on high speed for 1 minute. Then crush up the Oreos in a Ziploc bag using a rolling pin and try and make it as fine as possible. And add them into the frosting and mix them in until they're well combined. Then add the frosting into a large plastic bag and spread the frosting down to one corner of the bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then cut off a small corner of the bag. And once the cupcakes have cooled completely, pipe the frosting on top of each one. Then roll the edges in Oreos that have been coarsely crushed. Then top each one with half of an Oreo. And that's how to make Oreo cupcakes. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.